we wanted to make outfits with the items we have around our house.
After we make these outfits, we're gonna pick our favorite outfit and take a picture in it to put on our Instagram feeds to try to trick our followers into thinking this is an actual outfit. All right.
Hey guys, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Gabi.
As you guys know, we love doing DIY videos on this channel, but since Gabi and I can't go to our idea of heaven, aka Hobby Lobby, because of social distancing, we decided we wanted to make outfits with the items we have around our house.
We're gonna look around our houses to find materials to build our outfits with.
We'll be creating outfits for 3 different categories. The first being music festival, aka Coachella, since we couldn't do that this year.
The second outfit is for a red carpet event.
And the third is what we'd wear for a date night.
After we make these outfits, we're gonna pick our favorite outfit and take a picture in it to put on our Instagram feeds to try to trick our followers into thinking this is an actual outfit.
However, the one rule we have is that the main focus of the outfits we make cannot be clothing.
So, let's get into the video.
The first place I want to go is the kitchen because there's this trend on Dolls Kill where people wear food labels on shirts, and I feel like that's weirdly trendy, and that comes to mind for the music festival. So I'm gonna go look and see what we come up with. If I take this off nicely, this could work. Can you reach that bag up there? So I have this bag. This could easily work as a black crop top. For maybe red carpet look, we're gonna use this as a crop top. I have really poor organization skills and I just shove all my packaging in here that I don't wanna throw out. I'm such a hoarder. Like, who does this? People throw out packaging and I save it. I could fit right into this. Oh my God. I even saved this one. If I just take off this front, this would be such a hot top. Oh, here we go. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little doubtful at the beginning of this video, so I wasn't in a good mood. T. Yeah, red carpet, Nate, like.
It'd be like a dress.
I don't wear dresses, but I actually think there's some hope. This would make a really cute top. I feel like this could actually really work for Coachella. It has that like Kylie Jenner baddie vibes. Why do I have a problem with cutting things evenly? Okay, so it looks good from the front, but the back is like, what is this? I feel like Gabi's actually gonna make a really cute outfit, but if we're tricking our followers, just the front on Instagram has to work. Like, I don't have to turn around and show the back. Got it. Oh, it's cold. It's cold.
The first place my mind goes to is toilet paper, but we can't do that right now in this very moment because we're kind of going through a world crisis. So I'm gonna look at towels. Could we use a heating pad? I think I can work with this. This is an ornament. This is the bunny's Christmas tree. We're in the bunny room right now, if you didn't know. And I think this would look cute on a festival outfit. Maybe I can grab like a what is this? Shower curtain? Right, I think I have enough. And maybe this wrapping paper too. All right, I kind of want to make like a skirt with this and then maybe make a top out of something down here. I feel like I could put this in my hair somewhere and make a top out of the wrapping paper.
So I already made the top. This is the skirt that Lily is all comfy in. Oh! And then this is my hair piece.
See, look, I'm not even using an actual accessory. I'm using an ornament, another object for an accessory. That should be a bonus. That should be a plus.
The bottom of this off and try to I might make the back of it white and the front of it black and then use these for straps. It says Anastasia Beverly Hills. People, I guarantee, are gonna think I thrifted this or like found like a vintage, like, wow, Anastasia Beverly Hills makes clothes too. Or they're gonna call me out for a DIY. But I'm hoping it's the other way around. I'm gonna make this into a skirt. Oh my God! This is my outfit made out of a bag. And it's something I would wear on a carpet if I was feeling Tana Mojo enough or like Paris Hilton in the early 2000s. I think I'm gonna post this on Instagram. So I'm gonna actually put in some effort and do my makeup. Or do you like my makeup right now?
I think it looks good. It's like very natural right now.
Oh, I can do like a smoky eye.
Oh my God, I have such a good idea. Oh my gosh. Ah! This is gonna be so cute. Ooh, this blind, these are our blinds in the bedroom and we have leftover. I love these so much. I could definitely do something with this. I'm gonna try my best to just make this look like an actual tube top dress and use my accessories to dress it up. But no, I did not use the heating pad, thank God. All right. The more I think about it, I really don't want to use wrapping paper again. So I might ditch this, believe it or not. And I keep going back to this thing. You know how on red carpets, people wear like a white bodysuit and then like something sheer over it? I think I might use this as like a toga and then use a belt. Oh, even with this swimsuit underneath. Oh, this is turning out cute. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, so we have a bow. I'm gonna go get some accessories. You wanna come with me?
Okay.
Oh my God, this is so cute.
That actually is a really cute outfit. I'm impressed with you.
Very like red carpet earrings. For red carpets, you always want to wear designer names so that the designers see you. We'll do nude. You can't go wrong with nude. These Dior pumps.
Perfect. You look great.
Thanks, baby.
Why do I feel like this would make a cute top? My thick headbands. I have in so many colors. We're gonna take all these. All right. So on a date night with Nate, we love to be comfy. That's like our thing. I have a lot of really cool props. Like I have this mac and cheese. I have, you know, more blue packaging, but I already did that for the Coachella one. I don't want this video to just be Nikki wearing packaging for like 15 minutes straight. So we're gonna go with a different concept. And honestly, these headbands have the material of sweatpants. So instead of ruining these headbands, I'm gonna see if I can just like stack them and make a shirt out of the headbands and then pair it with some comfy sweatpants. Cut back to you after I try this. We're doing no nudity on this channel. Okay. I low-key cannot breathe in this, but this is my date night outfit. I would either wear sweatpants or jeans, and then I'd wear like a little tank top, tube top. I'm gonna take some pictures in this. I feel like this is actually the most believable.
Holding a dish towel?
I'm I'm in the kitchen making some snacks for date night.
I don't see the snacks.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Date night outfit check.
People have been doing this all of quar. I'm not gonna say the full word because YouTube, you know, is blacklisting that word. People have been doing this funny thing that's actually really cute, and it's called pillow couture, I think. You take a pillow and you wear something super skimpy behind it, and you tie like a Gucci belt around the pillow. So it'd be like this, but this is gonna be my date night outfit because like, you don't even wear anything on dates in quarantine with your boyfriend if you're living with them, if you catch my drift.
I'm accessorizing for my pillow. I'm wearing Gucci tights and furry heels, Chanel ring, and earrings. All right, so it is the next day. Gabby and I posted on Instagram, and now we're gonna FaceTime each other to see all the 3 outfits we made, and we're gonna go over the comments and the response and see if we tricked our followers. Hello.
Hi.
I want Zena to send my outfits first because you're obviously gonna like show me off, or wait, what's the word? You're gonna outshine me, so let's just get mine over with, rip the Band-Aid off. So the first one you're looking at is Coachella.
What?
The second outfit is
Wait. Let's talk
carpet.
about the first outfit. The first outfit, the pink top.
You wanna know what it was?
What is it?
I just did a video on my channel where I shopped from small clothing brands on Instagram, and I saved the packaging because it was so cute and it came in handy.
Oh my God.
Let me see.
Gabby, shush.
That's such a cute top. What?
And all I had to do was cut it in half and slide into it. That's all I did for that outfit.
Oh my God.
Then outfit number 2 is red carpet.
The
And-
Anastasia bag?
Yeah, all I did was cut the bottom of the bag that said Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I put it into a top. I cut the bag holders into sleeves, and then the bulk of the bag I used as a mini skirt, and I wore a belt.
That's
with
really
it.
creative. Why are you being so harsh on yourself? These are all so creative.
Because I put minimal effort, it was little work but cute outfits.
Yeah.
And
That's
then
like me though.
The last photo is date night. Guess what the top is?
Headbands?
Yes, I put headbands around my boobs.
Oh my God. Colin, look. Headbands around her boobs. So for my outfits, I didn't think you were allowed to wear like jeans or anything. I thought your entire outfits had to be DIY things around the house. So all of my outfits are anything but clothes.
What? All her outfits are anything but clothes. She did the extra mile.
So yeah, my Coachella look was all like materials, and it was wrapping paper for the top, my shower curtain for the skirt, and a Christmas ornament in my hair.
Oh. You know what you did? You went the 2014 Coachella
Yeah.
route. You did the Coachella I miss. I love your outfit. I wore an outfit similar to that in all blue my first Coachella.
Aww.
So, yeah. I love that.
Thank
That's
you.
actually really creative. I like the
Well, that's
skirt.
something I would wear to Coachella because I'm more bohemian than baddie.
Yeah. No, you got Baddie and you Gabby more than I do.
Really?
Yeah, hair's
Thank
high.
you. Red carpet, me getting out of the car. Everyone on Instagram really thinks this is a dress. And like even at like Mikey, our stylist who styles red carpets, was like, love this with a heart. My friend Emmeline was like, I love your dress. Like it's a it's a window curtain.
If it wasn't for the challenge, I would definitely think it was like sponsored by Fashion Nova.
Really? It looks like a Fashion Nova dress. I feel like it looks like couture.
Or no, fine. What's that other place you shop from?
Love Shack Fancy?
Yeah. Hashtag Love Shack Fancy. I like it though. It's really.
Do you like the bow on the sleeve?
Yeah, I would actually like That does not look like a curtain. And what's interesting is, okay, we didn't get to like talk about the Instagram stuff yet, but like, I think you tricked your followers way far more than I did, only because mine had, like, people knew it was a ripped up tote bag, but they all thought it was cute. But they were like, they knew Anastasia Beverly Hills doesn't make clothes.
Yeah.
That's what gave it away, but your outfit 3, oh no, I'm dead. With this date night, you're literally wearing a pillow because, yeah.
Pillow chic.
Basically implying she doesn't need to wear anything on date
Exactly. Date night is like,
What's the back of that
you're
outfit
naked.
look like?
Gabby, Nate said, what does the back of that outfit look like?
Honestly, it was a swimsuit and tights.
I told Nate I wanted to be a smartass and just wear Post-it notes on my boobs.
Demonetized.
That Colin like this.
Demonetized.
Demonetized.
So here's a recap on what people said to me. First of all, Makeup by Samuel, who always beats my face for red carpets and has worked with like Kylie Jenner and Stassi and all them. He freaking wrote, okay, these outfits with hard eyes.
What?
And then the other top comment says, you are wearing tote bags. And then someone said, we stand a multi-purpose queen, LMAO. I think she's making clothes out of bags. You're not wearing actual clothes. This should be for a video. Kind of look like a bag or something. I didn't even know these were bags till the comments. Okay, but why don't I own this top? Hello? Looks like you're wearing bags. Is that a bag? LOL. That's the majority of my comments.
How can you make a curtain look so adorable?
A curtain, they knew.
Only the real ones know that's a curtain, LMAO, because those are the curtains I have behind my bed. So like they're all just like left over, those curtains. Oh my God, this dress is so you. Oh my gosh, that dress is gorgeous. Emmeline, one of my best friends, goes, that dress with hard eyes. A whole vibe, Gabby, love the dress. Our stylist, he does red carpets, he's mainly Bella Thorne's stylist, and Niki and I's, he commented love with a heart. Like, I fooled our red carpet stylist with the red carpet category. Like, I'm winning right now. He's a stylist, that's his job.
So would you say we tricked our followers, or is it split 50-50?
I say, like, I feel like I more so trick the people I know, because my followers know they know my curtains.
You're so right. Like, our friends and like stylists, makeup artists, people that don't keep up with our videos.
We both did so good.
I feel like what's really funny is our pictures are things we would actually wear.
I know.
All right, guys, so comment down below any other challenges you want to see us do during quarantine. Our birthday is actually coming up, so by the time this is up, a week from today will be our annual sister birthday gift swap video, and we're gonna have to do it over FaceTime.
That's really sad. That's really sad. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to spend our birthday together this year.
Unfortunately, this is lasting much longer than anyone anticipated. These types of videos are our new normal. We have seen in the comments that you guys are enjoying it though, which is good. I'm glad, because this is all we can do.
And hopefully we can be together for our birthday next year.
Hopefully we can film our normal summer videos together. Let's put that out there.
Let's manifest that. We're gonna be able to film summer videos together.
Together, yeah. Okay, well, stay safe, stay healthy, subscribe, click the bell, and we'll see you guys in our next video.
We'll see you. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.